2013 Chrysler 200. It has a no start, doesn't crank, nothing, pretty much dead. So I'm checking to make sure there's a voltage going to this power feed to the starter. As you can see, it pretty much lights up, and I am connected to negative on the post that goes straight to the power feed on the starter. So also, so you can see that it does have go ahead and put this on negative. Put this over here so people can see it. Let me know when you're on the negative.
Yeah, we're good.
Okay. As you can see, it's kind of bouncing all around, but it's 12 volts. So that power feed that goes from that point all the way to that point is good, which means that power feed wire is good. Let me go to the bottom and try to bypass the command. Okay, let me try this real quick. I have a piercing probe right on the command from the PCM, and if I give it feed, if I give it power direct, you could hear the engine turn over. And pretty much the solder is good. Omar, go ahead and try to solder yourself.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm ready.
Try one. I'm gonna try it again.
Okay.
Try two. I'm gonna try one more time.
Okay. And like you can see, you're not getting no voltage at all. So I'll go after the what's it called? The ignition switch, and see if that is if it is reacting the way it should or not. So I'll be back. So I was able to go ahead and connect my Autel to scan for codes, and they give me a B1A 25 invalid key. But the key is the original key, but if you could see, is twisted, it's bent. So more likely the pin that go here for the transmitter might be bad or broken and giving a false reading. So the customer more likely gonna have to go get a new key, get a program, and I'll do a follow-up and make sure everything else run the way it should. But besides that, more likely this is the culprit. I mean, the vehicle is able to turn. It has fuel, it has spark, it has pretty much everything it needs, but the mobilizer won't even allow the vehicle to turn unless it recognizes the key. And this is your issue right there. So this is one of the reasons why you always check it before you change out your part. Because what if I ended up giving a call for a starter and the starter was even the issue? That would have been a $200-300 part plus labor. That would have been a really bad customer. That way you always test before you change or do a call on the job. I kind of bit the gun on it real quick because I didn't check the key, or I didn't have the key on my purse at the time. As I got there, got a call from a friend of mine that his vehicle didn't start. So, got there, I told him to crank it over, and that's how the video started. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Any criticism, concern, comments, anything, just go ahead and put them down. And thank you.